Hi guys, uh, uh, just impressed with one little thing that always you have been asked in interview. Super simple thing: why we don't need to pass mutable defaults to the when we define a method and function. So all we know we don't need do it because it can cause some wrong behavior. But why? Let me explain, because I just find it out myself with a little help in the internet. So let's see how it works. So for example, we have to define function boo. Oh, boo and L as parameter, and let's pass as default empty list. This is mutable thing, as we know, and let's modify it like this. Add one as integer to this list and print it out. Okay, and boo, 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 boo. Okay, as we see, our inner variable L so surprisingly growing from time to time, and for every time when we call it. So why it's happened? Let's add some things that let me explain one thing. Okay, dear boo, what is attributes and function in boo function? As we know, function is a class object and store all behavior that class have. So we have defaults here. So we can boo dot defaults, and as we see, we have defaults here, but initially it was an empty list. Why it's happened? Let's recreate our function this way. Boo, the same declaration, and print id l. This is printing some number from inner kitchen, inner Python kitchen that represent id of this variable. Actually, id of variable that points to the sector of memory that use it. So and then the same, and boo. It ends on 312. 312, 312, 312. What's the point, you can ask? So the point is, when we pass to this defaults to the variable, we allocate in the memory new object defaults unnamed list, but it has a special ID that will be used for the next call, and for the next call we use the same object, and then, as we see, the same ID, and it growing and changing during the whole life cycle of our script. That's all. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye.